Print chosen worksheets in Excel files to PDF in Python. I need to write a Python script to read Excel files, find each worksheet and then print these to PDF with the standard formatting defined in the Excel. I found the following question: how can I open an Excel file in Python? Which pointed me to this URL. This gives me the ability to find the names of each worksheet. This results in Now I want to print each worksheet which starts with a number to a PDF. So I can. Or something similar to above. What can I use to achieve this? The XLRD documentation is confusing. It says, formatting features not included in XLRD version 0.6.1. Miscellaneous sheet level and book level items, for example printing layout, screen panes, and formatting. Introduction. This collection of features, new in XLRD version 0.6.1, is intended to provide the information needed to 1. Display/render spreadsheet contents, say, on a screen or in a PDF file. See this URL. Which is true. Can some other package be used to print to PDF? For Unix, I see that there is this URL. Anything for Windows? I found this URL but can't figure out how to use it yet.
This seems like the place to put this answer. In the simplest form. Including a little formatting magic that scales to fit to a single page and sets the print area. I have also started a module over at GitHub if you want to look at that. This URL.
Il y a 4 ans, pensez-moi, il y a 36 les observés.